Are you tired of making animations in Blender? Then this tutorial is for you. After this tutorial, you will be able to make like that. Let's get started. Take any model you want to animate. For now, I will be taking this bicycle model. Add a camera and also position your camera. Now add an empty and position it where the focus of your camera is. First, select your camera, then the empty and parent them with Keep Transform. Go to frame 1 and select your empty and keyframe it on Z-axis rotation. Then go to frame 60 and rotate your empty on Z-axis like that. And also keyframe it on frame 60. Open Graph Editor and do like this. Now you will get these results. I make some simple lightning for this animation. Render your animation.